Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display rails from a Dell Precision M6700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide locking mechanism to the side to release the battery. Then unsnap and remove display bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Now unscrew and remove display rails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.